pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, pussycat, did you see the crown? Yes, it was shiny and bright golden brown. Pussycat, pussycat, did you see her shoes? They sparkled like stars in silvery hues. Pussycat, pussycat, did you see the guard marching so straight in the palace yard? Pussycat, pussycat, what did you say? I mewed so softly, then ran away. Pussycat, pussycat, did you drink some tea? Yes, with the Queen, just her and me. We nibbled on cake so yummy and round, and listened to music, what a sweet sound. Pussycat, pussycat, when will you come home? After I've wandered and had a roam. For London is lovely, but home is best. A cozy warm cushion and time to